We are about 2 hours out from Vegas.
Oh, look at the outside.
4 hours later.
We made it.
5 hours later. We finally made it. My hair is so greasy right now. We're gonna go to Subway's now. We're gonna have that for dinner. I'm so hungry. Whoa!
Are you getting Black Forest ham or are we upgraded?
I love Black Forest ham though.
Okay, sure.
It's inexpensive, but so
It's
good.
the cheapest one on the menu.
Yeah, but so good. Help me make better shopping choices. I am in need of better shopping choices. I'm an alien battery of unknown science. They don't even know what I
Yeah, you don't make sense.
What? How are you getting this?
Congratulations. You are the employee of the moment.
Wow, what a mess. There are many different types of spills you may encounter during your shift.
And factory training. Yeah, this is not CCTV.
Let's go back out.
I'm putting CCTV over.
Oh my gosh, look,
Oh
the
no.
population has decreased. The Decryptomax.
Crypto Max. Yes.
Yes. I think we're finally starting to understand this mission. They weren't kidding when they said we have to run around.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm like going out of breath. This is our workout for today.
Those stairs are steep.
Right?
You've proven your skills and allegiance by throwing a wrench in Dramcorp's machine. You may have won this fight.
Each number has 3 letters attached to it. Once you put them all in order, it completes a secret message sentence.
Are you guys just visiting?
Yeah.
Have you been here to Omega Mart before?
This is our first time. Yeah. It's really cool.
It took about 327 artists to create this whole exhibit.
Wow. Okay, so we're going to start this scavenger hunt. I know there's a 04 OMG. Or no, UGH, like, oh. 04 UGH is right there. It's a high roller Ferris wheel. It's so Christmas.
Yeah, it is. All the Christmas lights. Oh, is this a volume control?
Hello.
Hello.
Do I look like a gamer?
Yeah.
It's very good noise canceling.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You can't hear me?
I can hear you kind of, but not really. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Sneeze, sneeze. We're here at the high roller. It looks so big from here. We're so small.
the Scalar X?
Not really. Oh, there are TVs inside. They look like little Pokemon balls.
But you know how you told me you're going till you die, till you die. We're both still alive, and I'm here to remind you.
I don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be fine. You see something in me. For me, it takes time. And I know I got feelings. I know you do too.
Tastes like there's banana.
Yeah, right? Like a banana bread. Ah!
The way you do, and I cannot hide. Cause you break me down and you ease my mind. My mind.
I feel like I match in with the Christmas theme.
Yeah, me too.
Where?
NBA holiday.
I forgot to film earlier. I ate a ton of crabs today. This is the first time they have mochi donut, and they have like so many flavors. Cause I saw like a ube one. That was
Oh,
really
you got the
pretty.
last of the nacho.
Yeah, no, but they have more. Just back there.
Oh, that's nice.
This is how you know it's like mochi. Okay. Ice cream time. Can I get a mango?
Single double?
Just a single, and then one green tea.
Same cup?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So full. Jeffrey requested to make a pit stop at one of the chairs.
So
We walked out and I saw this other girl and she had her pants unbuttoned. Girl, me too. That's why my cardigan is buttoned up right now. We just finished the gym again after our huge buffet today. We only had one meal.
yeah, that was
Bye.
a humongous meal. We
I'm
probably
still-
ate the whole day's worth of calories.
I know. So we had to come to the gym and I am sweating. There was no one at the fitness center again. We're here to check out the Mandalay Beach now. It's right over there. The nighttime view of Vegas is so pretty. Mandalay Bay. It's closed. Oh no.
Distribute the wealth. I have 3, she gets 2.
What?
Fair trade to me.
This is a hack because in the hotel rooms you have to pay for the waters, but then in the fitness center they have free waters for you. So we just stocked up on a bunch. Tonight is our last night here, and then we're headed back tomorrow morning. So we have to check out at 11. It was fun. We're back at Tacos El Gordo.
We're back.
Yeah, last stop before we head back to Cali.